Okay, here's quickly how to transfer shape keys from one character model to another. It works with character models with the exact same topology. It might work with character models with very similar typology. So basically, you select the character model that has the animation that the shape key that you want. In this case, it's a facial shape key. So we select the shape key. Then we select the other model that we're transferring it onto, and then we click this arrow and we go down to transfer shape key. And as you can see now, we've added that shape key here, and it's active. And the only reason why it's showing it as showing the shape key even though it's 0 set to percentage is because it's locked. So if we unlock it, then we can use the slider. So that's how you transfer shape keys from one character to another. I'm hoping I can transfer it from differing models, but we'll see.